Here we have number 2. You're going to sketch and name the solid produced by rotating this figure around its given axes. Also label its part. Alright, here if you rotate this vertically, you should get a, looks like a cylinder to me. Okay, looks like a cylinder. And so it's a cylinder with a radius of 8 and a height of 8. Okay. Here you rotate it horizontally and it looks like you are going to get here, then here's the line, and then you rotate it around so it should look like this. Oh, looks like that will make a cylinder. So the radius here, radius is equal to 2 and the height is equal to 5. And see, if we rotate that, it looks like this. Okay, and then that is the result of rotating it. The height here, it is a 4. The slant height is 5, and if you use Pythagorean theorem, the radius here is 3 because this is a Pythagorean triple. D, if we rotate this, it becomes, here's the top, here's the revolution. This becomes a hemisphere, half of a sphere. The radius here is 3. That's it. So there you go. That is what you get for revolving the 2D figure.